how do I export my data from Tally to Excel? We all know that we can export, go to Tally and export it. But do I have an add-on facility? The answer is yes. So again, here there are two solutions which I would like to tell it to you. This Excel to Tally soft itself has a feature called import from Tally. The moment you say daybook and you say transactions, you click on transactions. In a minute, whatever journal entries you have passed, it will bring it to you. So you just have to say when the financial year began. So I go back to my Tally to check when my financial year is. Here it is 18-19. So I go here, I just say 1-4-18 to 31-3-19, and I can choose whatever I want. Assuming I want opening balance also, I can choose parent, primary, group. Again, here it is asking, should I choose all ledgers or only if it is greater than 0? I say everything. The moment I say okay, look at this. In a few seconds, all the journal entries, including opening balance, closing balance, parent name, debit, credit, everything appears in this particular screen at one shot. I repeat, my dear friends, at one shot you can get this report. Now see how beautiful this is. Now, in fact, I did not understand, I had a challenge. I was dealing with a client who is based out of a foreign country. They had to use some sort of a consolidation of Indian companies' books. The challenge I had was, in Tally, I was not able to give in the format and I had to spend a whole lot of time in just formatting the daybook. Today, I don't require to spend so much time. I just click open, export everything to Tally. In a span of 2 minutes, my entire daybook comes. Now, what they have done is, based upon the format of daybook, they have developed a macro which will basically push everything into the format, and consolidation becomes so quickly. Correct? So these are examples. Now, what you can do as variances, you can choose not to select the opening balance and closing balance. You can choose only the transactions, then only these will appear. Okay. Now you can also probably choose under the daybook an option called as ledger voucher. If I click ledger voucher, all the transactions of a particular ledger alone can appear. So I go click and choose 1/4/2018. Of course, I have to choose the date every time. 31/3/2019. And I have an option called extract. Only select ledgers I want, I can do it. So I go click on ledgers. Whichever ledger I want, only those ledgers will appear. Alternatively, I can just click on parent. Only those parent ledgers will appear. Can you find over here? Only the parents appear here. So I choose bank account and bank OD. The moment I say okay, all the bank accounts OD will appear here. Here, coincidentally, only HDFC Bank has a balance. It appears here. Alternatively, I can go click on parent and I can probably choose the list of parents whichever appears over here, and I can choose only that particular. For example, here I've chosen only HDFC account. I can just say click OK. I can also click on give me an index. The software will automatically create an index and give me, and I just say OK. So this is basically how analytic tools can be used, and the moment it is done, the dashboard or the result appears. Correct? So this is basically what I wanted to take you through. Of course, the result is loading. It will take a few minutes. Once it is done, your entire ledger voucher appears. Now, one must be thinking, sir, what is the power of this? What is the advantage of this? Don't you think if I export it to Excel, I will get all of them? My dear friends, from Tally to Excel, you can only bring it to a particular format. After that, there is a whole lot of exercise which you have to do. Why don't I build in tools like this which can solve my problem? Why don't I use tools like this which can neutralize or do things much more quicker? And that is the power of this particular software. Okay, so that is basically on one of the softwares which I thought of showing it to you. And of course, you can instead of going to this, there is another alternate option called TCAT, and TCAT is Tally based CAT. Okay, so Tally based CAT is basically where you have multiple options, and under that you have again daybook, whatever we spoke about. You can also have company's profile. Like for example, if you click on general info, it will go, if you just choose select all, the profile of the entire company will appear. Your entire Tally data, whatever configuration is there, everything will come at one shot. It is just generating this. It is successfully imported. Look at this. It has created one index also. So I go to this. It tells, okay, this is for those of you who want to keep a documentation. This is possible. It says, okay, see, password policy, none of the security controls are enabled. This is the system information. This is basically the name of the file configuration. This is basically the license information. This is basically the VAT configurations. So you can see how much of information is possible at a click of a button. There's another software called TallyCat, TCAT. And the audit reports which we saw here, all of those are also possible. Here there is also GSTR 2A matching. You know, those reports are also available. You can just go ahead and explore it. So this is basically what is possible. This is called as a TallyCat, TCAT.